Welcome to Health and Food. Do you want to learn how to make smoothies that burn fat? Here are 5 delicious smoothies to try for a quick breakfast or afternoon snack. Let's take a look at the benefit of smoothies. When used as part of low-fat, low-sugar diet, vegetable smoothies provide pure nutrients to your cells. Healthy substitutes. Smoothie fiber and other slow digestive ingredients like nuts, seeds or yogurt allow them to stay with the longer than coffee, soda or other drinks. Meal replacement. If you add small amount of protein and even grains to the vegetable smoothies, you can bullet that drink into a satisfying meat replacement. Energy. Supply your body with the right flow and more energy in the short and the long term. Making smoothies. The first step in making healthy smoothies of weight loss is the purchase a blender. Blenders are not at all expensive. Please ensure the blender you purchase is a good quality that can blend ice and frozen cube of fruity. Next, choose fruits that you love to eat. You can use apple, peach, banana, pineapple, kiwi, orange and so on. Next, cut the fruit into small pieces and put them in a freezer. Ensure that do not put everything into the freezer. If you want to make a slim smoothie, mix up it with the yogurt and then blend it. Avoid adding sweeteners to your smoothies as much that you are swimming to a lot of sugar, which is not good for weight loss. Vegetable smoothies are rich in vitamins and fibers. Vegetable smoothies can have for lunch or for dinner. Often use vegetable broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, cucumber and tomatoes. Milk products. Well, milk products have a lot of calcium and protein. It is better to choose low-fat milk. Nuts are a source of energy and vegetable protein. A handful of nuts provide energy for a few hours. Seeds like flax, for example, are much more useful in dealing a flat body. Krills can also a part of the pan. The first contain cellulose and the second the right type of carbohydrates. They are natural fat burners. Normalize the metabolism, accelerate the burning process like cinnamon, ginger, turmeric and cardamom. Limit the fat amount that you add in your smoothies, but you can add healthy fat like coconut and avocados. Just by adding smoothies to your regular daily diet, you can hasten your weight loss, boost your energy, enhance your health and improve your appearance. Now that you know, make yourself a frozen smoothie today. Allah Hafiz.